Watch, watch. Guess who is back? Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, yo. Franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what I represent. You don't know a full effect thing, right? You know what going to sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You see me? I want to watch a 6 girl here done that Vendetta flag. Watch the 6 girl that done that Vendetta girl here. I want to watch what going on. The 6 girl. The 6 girl that done Vendetta girl. Watch what going on. Vendetta girl dead just like how 6 pass killer look how and then a 9-11. You see what I go on? You don't know no lollipop thing. Of the world, it's not a plan. Here I go on. Franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what time I represent, you don't know a full effect thing, don't it? You don't know what go already. When we aim up, load up, crank up and sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. You don't know a loud explosion, boy. Watch. Oh.
Red hot and
hear what I say now? For the look man them, you know. When I hear jump up and I talk about the man song weak, you know. Here I go on, boy. Go suck your stepfather, girl, you hear that? You know, go suck on your stepfather, girl. About the man song weak. You know, bright and fierce. Listen, big song. You know what I mean? I'm want to tell me at the end of the bumbo clot there. Who are the bumbo clot professional from who are the amateur? Because Squashman sound like him in the business zone 10 years now. And him sound like him does a blood clot coming out of the business all over the place. Be a ping pong pong and all of them shit there. Squashman think them well bumbo clot structured. You know what I mean? And well organized. You know what I mean? Professional shit and a lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? Boy, dead. 7.62 tall like chicken leg. Yo, no don't know, you know. A Rasclad AK Rasclad carbine them there, you know. Because you know M16 a 5.56, you know. You know what I mean? And Squashman said the 7.62 tall like the blood clot chicken leg. You know what I mean? Bite bullet, boy. You want me to know? Whenever I tell you no. Eh? You think you don't hear nothing yet? Wait till when the streets start to open up their mouth like a Kawasaki. You go and find out, yeah? Who are the Bembechaki? Because enough of you know, are rocks in and chip up marble, you know. You don't have no preps in the closet, you know, my brethren. You know, rocks and chip up marble, you know. And that's why you don't go out for anything, you know. You don't have no preps in the closet. But the bumbo clot you know talk about are the general, the 10-star one are representing a full effect. Let me tell you, watch it. Let me tell you now. Whenever I tell you now, an anti-foul lad. Eh? I make me tell you something Vendetta boy. You tell me to send your address. Because you well want to kill me. Yo, I'm not deal with chattings, you know, boy. Right now, if you see me, you know, you'd have to walk out your gun like a prostitute, you know. You can't chat to me, you know, that. Yeah, because all of them have nothing upon me, you know. Just for you, you know, all I tell me them things, man. I don't use my 16 screwdriver I have in my bag and screw up your blood clot with it. All 19 times in your blood clot head. Think I shot me one shot you. You come and talk, you fuck. You think I deal with lollipop thing. You think you can approach me with no lollipop thing. Pussy, look. Every time you see me, who you see, I mean, alone you see a step. I don't tell you I'm a concrete stepper. Anywhere I step on it, shake it, broke off. You think a lollipop thing? You think you can bring no foolishness to my body, boy? Eh? You come and talk about me, I don't want to shot your blood clot. And 19 times I want to broke off my screwdriver and your blood clot head. You come talk about shot. That's too easy for you, man. I want me to you, give me something hard for you. I like something with bumbo clot. Spicy me up. I want me to you, man, batty boy, I want to feel like. I'm going to tell you already, in a peace and quiet, and tell you say it's not a Kiss Ass channel this. You can't come over there so with no lollipop thing. I no Kiss Ass where you think me a CMR or a DMR. Who you think I are? Not the chosen one, the people's champion, Gaza favorite, the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. And a lollipop thing, Batty boy. And of them kiss ass channel where you go over there, go kiss up ass and laugh. But the general, the 10 star wanna represent, wanna feel like. Eh? Think me laugh with it. You violate, you must get your head chopped off with it, you know. I want to feel like me easy. I don't know high grade me smoke, me no bun beat it. Eh? Bumbuck So the general squash man dropped the big bomber on the 1911. And look how more and I go hear the loud explosion in the street. Because the internet does start warm up. Enough people there work. Enough people busy in them everyday activity. But wait till when time the streets say well, go on. They don't talk to me. Look more. Batty boy, when they come in and I comment back, talk nice. And don't act like you're a bumbuckler bad boy. You can talk to me. And you can tell me about music. You don't ever see a clash. Don't go clash, you can bumbuckler talk about a Vybz Kartel or Mavado. An internet bumbuckler to see them clash them on, you know. You can come chat to me. Eh? Batty boy, I want to know about clash. Eh? And me I watch the Horseman Sasa Flasher kill yellow man in a blood clot skate line. I want to dead. I come tell man about clash. Eh? Me watch Peter Mecha kill Bumbuckler. Where him name? The one with turn Ras Clad, Christian, Lieutenant Stitchy. I want to dead. Eh? I come chat to man like when I understand. When I come in and I comment back, start nice. To the general, the 10 star one. Kind of lollipop thing. I get a Marlboro Red. Yeah, when I laugh with it, my virgin, and I look a lollipop thing. And then I see the general and I talk to my 10 star way, I know a Gaza I represent for another joke thing. So when I come over here, so I have some respect for the chosen one. You hear that? The people's champion. You hear that? Have some respect for Gaza favorite. That's what I deal with. And listen blood clot quality. You know have to listen that 3 and 10 bumbuckler time for hear what squash man I say. Everything Ras Clad perfect on the thing. You know what I mean? Everything perfect on the thing. And I don't know joke thing. Everyday routine.
Oh yeah, when
you know what I mean? Watch. Mucha. Watch. Yeah. You know I saw me representing a full effect. You know what I mean? And I say, when you go listen big bad song, when you don't have to listen 10 or 20 times, I don't know joke thing. Squash man full of quality. There's where I deal with and full of professionalism. There's where I deal with and act like a some look a backyard thing when you want to jump up for these 10 people listen to and then you talk with no foolishness about this and that thing. You can't tell nobody about song and I hear someone run on and I talk about weak like all batty boys see me man. You weak, your back weak. You see me? And that's why your girl says she like batty wash because you're weak. You hear that? So when you talk about weak, you represent yourself first. And my coffee there?
Large, right?
No, it's small, but it's okay, it's okay. It's too much. Yeah.
No, this one. Too much sweet. This one right here.
Your girl come represent such a like that. You know what I mean? That means he's a very weak boy, you know what I mean? You know have the conda well long. You know what I mean? And that's what I want to represent. For them look a lollipop thing, they want to feel like a games thing. Eh?
That's what it sounds like.
Yeah, run on by your friend DMR channel and I talk about week. The two are not the same thing. And the whole of YouTube know that. So the two are not kiss us. We not kiss people as that. But bad boy out in the street. And a joke thing. And a lollipop thing neither. Right now you must see it.
Okay, that's fine. But like I said,
No.
Right now, bun me a bun up.
hurry up so we can go back inside.
You know what I mean? Just like, oh, I listen to squash song, I'm a squash man and I get hype. A bun me a bun up right now. You know what I mean? And I don't ever want nothing more than a hot coffee for cool me down. This is where I deal with, and a bun up, so fire me and mix with blood clot fire, you know. Because I tell you now, a loud explosion when I drop necessary equipment. I don't know, joke thing and some boy will go around, I say, and I talk about the man song week. I say, go suck out your father's step, girl, you hear that? Okay. And I come play with man. I couldn't think so, joke bumbo clot shit. Batty boy. And I come talk about the man song week. When you don't listen to that fucker, it never weak tune it. It sound like it have no quality in it. Where it sound like what gravitate to no. Eh? Just long and straight like that. With the professionalism there. Right now it makes Squash look like a big top artist over him. For a man who bust in the business or long before Squash man. Him not have it. Him lost the quality the formula done. This is where I deal with that. The 6 them are run shit right now. You hear me? The formula evaporate out just like alcohol. And the 6 them are run shit right now. You know what I mean? The gun will bust 36, bust out him inside and make marrow like wave on the seaside. Barrel spin like fang blade and boy head bust like lampshade. Squash man a squeeze lead from the 4-5. Warm tune boy. The general, the 10-star one I represent. In a full effect. You see the people them from my job give me a high hail. Yeah, but them know I'm representing now. Be a white people I represent around, you know. Them know I'm represent. So a 10-star my roll, 10-star way my roll. You do a 3 o'clock my blood clot punching. And I go hold a coffee break and a ass clot smoke before me even think about punching. Them know my thing go. Them know I'm a lollipop thing. This is where I deal with. I'm batty man. You can come here, so come find 10-star. You see me, you have to broke your neck and look up on that blood clot. You see it? Batty man, we say you want to kill 10-star. See it that there's some work, batty man. You have to broke your blood clot neck for look up on that. So that's why when you see me shoot a video, you see how high me there in the blood clot here. Look, batty man. Right, that's some work. You can come find me anytime, dog. Anytime you want, man. You know what I mean? I use my screwdriver and broke it off in your blood clot head all 6-7 times. That one day, think on a shot you come talk about like you feel like a lollipop thing. You can frighten the 10-star. You can frighten the tube and junglist. Think I laugh with it. You think a lollipop thing. Where you think of your friend B man, C man you play with. And you think me talk about badness. I not deal with them thing there. Look how tall that is batty man. Come in at that, come find me any day. Come ask you the 10-star one. The choosing one, everybody know me. I'm popular than in the rest of them bumbo clot YouTube. You hear that? A real thing I tell you about. Just ask the 10-star one. You know what I mean? You want to look up bumbo clot problem, but send your address to make you kill. Like you think so, a lollipop thing. You can't come play with man. Think a joke thing. Think me chat about badness. I'm born and go wicked batty man. I chat young glad chat it. I leave them shit there. Pussy. Understand yourself. You know what I mean? Squash man a kill people now get up on the feelings and think they can come violate people. Can't violate me now, none of my subscribers them batty man who are bad people on road. We keep it decent and professional. Watch.